Okay, so you think it's possible to fit a water balloon inside of a bottle?
Well, Candace Monticelli is live to show us if it is possible with today's weather experiment. Hey, Candace.
Hey, good morning. That's the big question. Can we fit this water bottle inside this jar? The answer is yes. It's just a matter of if it works. So we have examples here of when I actually got the experiment to work to put the water bottle in the jar. So here's a list of what you need for today's experiment. It's all due to air pressure. First, you want to start with a water balloon, then a match or a lighter, a piece of paper, a bottle, and water. So this experiment does require adult supervision. So you need mom or dad to help you out with this one. So first, of course, fill the balloon, make it a water balloon, simple as that. Get a jar that the water balloon can be just a little bit bigger than the opening of the jar. You have your piece of paper, fold it up enough so you can fit it in the jar, and then we're going to light it on fire, put it in the jar, and place the balloon on top, and hopefully the balloon will get sucked in. I found the key here is to try to keep this piece of paper on fire when you put it in the jar. We'll see what happens. Keep your fingers crossed. We're going to see if this can work on live TV. I've gotten it to work off camera a million times, but not live on camera. So we'll see. Okay, so piece of paper on fire. And then we're going to try to keep it on fire. Oh, it didn't stay on fire. I'm going to try it one more time over here. I am so bound and determined to get this work. I swear it does. We're going to try it one more time. Let's try this. But what's happening here is when you light this piece of paper on fire and put it in the jar, this fire is burning up, eating up all the oxygen in the jar, and then it's lowering the pressure inside the jar and allowing that water bottle to get sucked in. It is just not cooperating with me. Maybe third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. But when the air pressure lowers inside the bottle, that's then when it gets sucked into the jar. And air pressure has a lot to do with our weather. We hear high and low pressure all the time, but high pressure gives us typically sunshine, and low pressure typically gives us stormy conditions. So if you can get this to work, it's really cool. And you can also just help it along like this. You just need to get that air, that warm air, to come on the outside of the balloon, and then you can help it along and get it in the jar just like that. So with a little assistance, it all works. And depending on the size of the balloon, you can also get it back out by increasing the air pressure inside of the jar just by sticking a straw on the side and blowing back into the jar. So watch this. There you go. Get the balloon right back out again. So very cool. If you can get it to work, try it at home. Send me those pictures on Facebook. There's a full list of instructions on fox17online.com. But air pressure, pretty neat.